Hello everyone, this is Alice Mercanti, Publishing System Support Specialist at Cochrane. This short video tutorial will show you how to submit your protocol review or update to Cochrane via Editorial Manager. You will receive an email inviting you to submit and stating your submission due date. If you have not received an email and you have a draft ready for submission, please contact support@cochrane.org. If you need submission due date to be changed, please also contact the Cochrane support team. Before starting the submission process, the current version of your protocol review or update must meet our editorial standards and be ready for external peer review. Follow our author guidelines on preparing your manuscript for submission. You should compare each section of your manuscript with the reporting guidance in the Cochrane review template that you can open as a practice review. You should also download and complete the pre-submission checklist. You can download it from the author guidelines page as a Word document, and once completed, you will have to upload it together with your submission files. When you're ready to submit, open your review in Redmond. On the dashboard, select Submit Current Version and add a relevant description in the submission pop-up window. To download your submission file, confirm that you have an open invitation to submit the review to Editorial Manager, that the draft is ready for submission, and that you have completed the pre-submission checklist, and that you understand that any changes made to the review after submission will not be considered until the next submission. The button to download submission files will not become active until all the checkboxes have been ticked. Depending on the size of your work, the download may take several minutes. A PDF and a zip files will be saved in your downloads with file names containing the CD number of your review. Please do not change the file names, as this will cause technical errors when processing your submission. When you have downloaded the files, go to Editorial Manager and log in to your author profile. In the author main menu, select My Accepted Invitations. From the Actions menu on the left, select Submit Invited Manuscript. On the Identifier Request screen, you can link your account with your ORCID ID if you wish, and then click Proceed. To upload the PDF submission file for your protocol review or update, you can click the blue Browse button or simply drag and drop your file. The PDF will automatically be labeled Manuscript. Then go to the Select Item Type drop-down menu and select Supplementary Material. Click Browse again or drag and drop the zip file of supplementary materials that you have downloaded from Redmond. The zip file must remain zipped throughout the submission process. Finally, go to the Select Item Type drop-down menu once more and select Pre-Submission Checklist and upload the pre-submission checklist that you have completed beforehand. If you want to add additional files, select the correct submission item type first and then click Browse to select the files to upload. Additional files may include acknowledgements, external files and datasets, and responses to peer review comments, for instance. You can find more information on additional file types in our instructions for authors. When you have uploaded the submission files, click Proceed. On the next screen, in the General Information section, you can select the section category of the article that you are submitting. This is optional. In the Additional Information section, answer the checklist questions carefully to confirm your submission complies with Cochrane's policies. Then click Proceed. On the Comments page, you may add a brief message to the editorial team if you wish, but this is optional. Then click Proceed. On the Manuscript data screen, confirm the submission title. If you are submitting a review or an update, copy the abstract from the current version of your review in Redmond and paste it into the abstract section. Then, copy the plain language summary into the secondary abstract section. You can add keywords if you wish, and finally, it is essential to add full details of your author team, including first and last names, as well as their email addresses. Incorrect co-author details will delay processing your submission. Once you have finished, click Build PDF for approval. When the PDF is available, click View Submission from the Action menu to download the submission file and check that everything is correct. If you need to edit your submission, click Edit Submission, otherwise click Approve Submission. These instructions are also available in the Information for Authors on the Cochrane training platform. If you need further assistance or you need to report a problem, please contact support@cochrane.org. Thank you for watching this demo.